Hello everyone. Valves come in various models and sizes, each designed for a specific purpose. Let's take a look at the different types we have today. Here we have a collection of valves. As you can see, they differ significantly in size. Some are relatively small while others are much larger. The size and models are crucial as they determine the valve's application and performance. Now let's focus on the specific details of each size. This is a half of an inch valve. Notice the precision of its construction. The body of the valve is made of brass, which provides durability and strength. The valve plays a vital role in controlling the flow. Moving on to this 3/4 of an inch valve, it has distinct features. The valve's port size is 3/4 of an inch and the threading is NPT. These details are essential for proper installation and operation. This is a 1-inch valve. Observe the remarkable precision in its construction. The valve body is crafted from high-quality brass, endowing it with outstanding durability and robust strength. It's important to know how to tell different valve models and sizes apart. One of the most straightforward ways is by looking at the diameter of the valve's interface. For example, this valve has an interface diameter of a half of an inch, while this other valve has an interface diameter of 1 inch. By measuring the diameter of the interface, you can quickly identify the size of the valve. This is crucial when you are replacing a valve or choosing the right one for a particular system. Finally, let's talk about the applications of different valve sizes. This a half of an inch valve is ideal for household plumbing systems such as under sink faucets or toilet water supply lines. Its compact size allows it to fit into the relatively confined spaces commonly found in residential plumbing setups. It is commonly used in these household water supply systems, where precise control of small volume water flow is required. The 3/4 of an inch valve is suitable for small to medium-sized commercial water supply and heating systems. It can handle a moderate flow rate and is often found in commercial building water supply networks for individual floors or small sections. Its balance between size and capacity makes it a practical choice for many small-scale commercial establishments like local shops or small offices. When it comes to larger-scale industrial and commercial operations, this 1-inch valve is the go-to option. It is designed for industrial water distribution in factories or large-scale irrigation systems. With its relatively large interface diameter, it can manage high-volume fluid flow. It is typically used in such systems such as large-scale water treatment plants or industrial cooling systems where significant amounts of water need to be regulated and controlled. Thank you for watching our video. I hope this has been helpful in understanding valves of different models and sizes.